today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix word headers and footers missing. You open up your document to add it to your headers or footers, but the top and bottom margins of your pages have completely vanished. Your sentences are hugging the razor edge of the screen, and double-clicking the top of your page does absolutely nothing. Don't worry, your headers aren't deleted, Word just hit your white space. Let's fix this layout glitch instantly. Let's force Word to show your margins right now. Scroll down through the document until you find the exact gray line where page 1 ends and page 2 begins. This line right here. And now, slowly move your mouse cursor directly over that thin horizontal seam between the two pages. And watch your cursor closely. The moment you hit the sweet spot, your mouse cursor will transform into a unique double arrow icon featuring a tiny tooltip box that reads, double click to show white space. And as you can see, while the double click arrow cursor is active, just simply double click the mouse, and Word will instantly slide the pages apart, reveal your hidden margins, and bring your headers and footers perfectly back into view. And now, if you have trouble getting that double arrow cursor to show up, or if you want to permanently lock this setting so it never glitches out again, we can toggle it directly inside your system's properties. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the navigation ribbon, and then click on File to get back here. And then, in the bottom left, select Options from the sidebar. A configuration panel will now open, and then click on the Display tab second from here. And look at the very top section labeled Page Display Options, and locate the first checkbox. Show white space between pages in the print layout view. And as you can see, this is the first setting that we can click. Ensure that this box is checked, then click OK and check the box here. And now all the changes are pushed live and your document layout is going to be locked back into space. Your margins, headers, and navigation layers are all completely visible and uniform across your entire project workspace. And that is it for this one. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.